Ang pagbabalik sa TikTok live ni Ricey. Hi! Lynn, thank you for subscribing. Salamat. Ayan, one last subscriber, magsa-subwave tayo guys. Tap the screen po please, thank you so much. I can't count the times almost it was on my mind, but I didn't. Hi Circus. Just the other day I wrote down the things I said, but I couldn't. I just couldn't. Let's go, Kakoy. Baby, you know that you've been watching. Thank you, gifters. So it goes nothing. In case you didn't know, baby, I'm crazy about you. And I would be lying if I said that I can live this life without you. Even though I think you says I don't tell you all the time. You had my heart a long, long time ago. In case you didn't know. Sa mga matagal ko ng subscriber, thank you sa pag-resubscribe. You guys are the best. The way you look tonight, that second glass of wine, that did it. Thank you guys. Monster Mind, request ka na. Something about the kiss. Welcome back, thank you Kakoy. Girl, did me, got me thinking. Let's go guys. I'm thinking. One subscriber to go. All of the things that I've been feeling. Thank you, Kakoy. This time you hear him. In case you didn't know, sana bumalik na kayo. Baby, I'm crazy about you. Iniwan niyo ako eh. And I would be lying if I said that I could live this life without you. Even though I don't tell you all the time. You had my heart a long, long time ago. Ayan o si Kakoy, tsaka si Monster Mind. Minsan na lang sila dito. You got all of me, and I belong to you. Yeah, you're my everything. Monster Mind, dapat 1 year yan ah. In case you didn't know, I'm crazy about you. And I would be lying if I said that I could live this life without you. Even though I don't tell you all the time. Yeah, you have my heart alone. Promise nyo yan, Kakoy, Monster Mind ah. Kayo yung mga OG ko dito sa sa TikTok. Long time ago. In case you didn't know. Naku. Ma'am Divina, hindi yung iiwan nyo na lang ako basta-basta. Yes, maglilimang buwan na tayo, guys. Gino! Oo, si Gino naalala ko. Since day 1, nandito talaga yan. Alam na alam ko yung mga laging nanonood. Ayan sila Rose Ann, lalo na yung mga naka-orange badge. Kilala ko yan sila. Di bale, plano ko sana next month. Kaso, next month kasi, nasa US ako. So, bala ko sana mag 6 month. Pero ano na lang, sa 1 year na lang siguro. 9! Thank you for subscribing! Welcome back to my live, 9. Siguro pag nag 1 year ako dito sa TikTok, magmi-meet and greet tayo. Siyempre, i-arrange ko yun. Talagang wala kayong babayaran. Regalo ko yun sa lahat ng mga solid na magiging supporter ko hanggang mag 1 year. Yan. Magpapa-event ako. Ayok. Hoy, sungit nyo ngayon ah. Thank you, Nine. Good morning. Oo. Di bale, pag-iipunan ko yan, guys. Are you going to US next month? Yes. I'll be at US for the TikTok live event. I'll be there, and then I have extended my trip. So pupunta rin ako sa Sa New York, Canada, Toronto, tapos sa March, Hawaii naman. February ako pupunta, 10 days lang, kaso iba-ibang city. Sa Canada, may inaayos yung manager ko na tour soon. Sa July siya, from July 16. Parang feeling ko 2 weeks na tour siya. Hala, Circus we! Hala! Hindi guys, may mga trabaho ako doon, pero secret lang natin. Kakoy, ipag-pray natin. Si Monstermine ba? Taga saan uli si Monstermine? Monstermine, taga saan ka? Si Kakoy, ipag-pray nyo na sana masama ako sa sa event din ng TikTok. I think February 26 yun, Australia. Kaso wala pa akong visa eh. Oo, Alberta, Canada. February 14 wala ka na Ricey dito sa Pinas. Nandito ako noon, February 14. Hanggang lang ako, February 1 to 11. Oo. So, kapag napasama ako, mas madali kasi pag may invitation, ganyan. Hi, Sir John Lawrence! Yes! Basta libre niyo yung ticket ko. Alam niyo naman, mami na ako. Sagutin niyo na yung ticket ko, puntahan ko kayo dyan. Diba? Monster Boy, mag-request ka na. Minsan ka na lang tumama. Iniiwan niyo na ako ni Kakoy. Akala ko dynamic duo pa naman kayo, kaso busy na talaga kayo. Pero sanay na ako. Kisame! Sige. Ito. Thank you Thank you sa lahat ng mga supporters ko, viewers ko na bumabalik-balik kahit minsan iniiwan ako. Wah! Salamat sa inyong lahat, guys. And sige, mag-start a new goal tayo sa subscription. Ayan. Guys, let's go. Pag nagdalawang subscribe po tayo, kung hindi ako nahugad, binibiro ko lang kayo naman. Request lang kayo, guys. Comment nyo lang. Pag na-trigger ang subwave natin through the rain, OMG 9. Sige, wait lang. I list that up. Thank you for subscribing, 9. Salamat, guys. Yan. For Monster Mind, let's go. Let's go, guys. 2,500 diamonds. Mag-rank 12 tayo. Let's go. Halika na. Gustong tumingin sa iyong mga mata na nagdinimig kahit nasaan ka ba. Pero bakit ba ang layo mo laging magkabilang mundo? Pero bakit ba ang layo mo? Pwedeng sa'yo na lang ako nakatiti sa kisame, kakaisip kung paano sasabihin sa'yo na gustong kita. Thank you, Gifter. Stop the screen po, please. Hindi na kita mali sa isip ko. Pag-pray natin makapag-visa. Ikailang Canada meron ako na ikaw ang tahanan ko. Pero bakit ba lumalayo palagi na ganito? Pero bakit ba ayaw mo? Pwedeng sa'yo na lang ako nakatitig sa kisame, kakaisip kung paano sasabihin sa'yo na gustong kita. DA, thank you. Asahan ko yan Okay na. Namiss ko din kayo. Thank you kasi binabalikan niyo ako. Akala ko nakalimutan niyo na ako. Akala ko nakahanap na kayo ng ibang favorite. Basta ikaw. Tampururot pala, no? Joke lang. Good morning, Leslie. Kaya lang, kahit hindi mo ako pansinin, kaya ko naman damin lahat ng sakit. Basta ikaw nakatitig sa kisame, kakaisip kung paano sasabihin sa'yo na gustong gusto kita. Nakatitig sa kisame, kakaisip kung paano sasabihin sa'yo na gustong gusto kita. Thank you so much. And once again, that was Kisame. Sana nagustuhan niyo po yun. And sa mga viewers ko, let's go. Tulungan niyo na ako, guys. Ipa 2,000 viewers na natin to. Talaga. Joke lang. Hindi naman ako matampuhin. Basta, bumalik kayo. Oo. Huwag kayo masyadong magpa-miss. Kasi hinahanap din kayo ng mga viewers ko. Oo. Alam niyo naman, we are one. Yes! Dea Grace! Hi, kulit! Thank you! 128 gifters. Maraming salamat po. And ayan na, guys. 2,000 diamonds na lang. Tayo ay magra-rank 12 na. Mapapalapit na tayo sa goal natin today na rank 10. Let's go, guys! 3 more rounds to go! Welcome! And oo nga pala, Leslie, oh. Ayun na si Leslie. Nagbabalik. One last firework na lang. Magra-rank 12 na tayo. Let's go. 1K na lang, guys. And up next, as requested by 9, sige, kantahin natin to. Sana si Gino mapaambo na ng free subs, no? Matagal na si Gino dito nanonood, lagi kong napapansin. Lalo na yung mga suki nating nagko-comment, nagtatap ng screen. Let's go, guys! I-goal natin 2,000 viewers. So tap the screen po, and if okay lang din po sa inyo, share the live po. Thank you so much! Maraming salamat po, and kantahin natin tong Through the Rain. Kaso mataas to. Hindi ko carry, Mariah Carey. Ayan na, guys, rank 12 na ba? Sino yun? Thank you so much! Ala, ang laki naman ng rank ng rank 11, nakakaloka. Pero kakayanin. Kaya natin yan. Let's go. Kakayanin natin to. Pag hindi ko po kaya, pasensya na. Hello, ang taas. Ate ko, welcome. Hindi ako nabirit, When you get caught in the right, with nowhere to run, when you're designed and in vain, without anyone, when you keep crying out to be saved. Naririnig ko lang tayo. But nobody comes and you feel so far away that you just can't find your way home. You can get there alone. It's okay. Ang taas, me. Where you say I can make it through the rain. I can stand up once once again on my own. And I know that I'm strong enough to mend. And every time I feel afraid, I hold tight to my faith. And I live one more day, I can make it through the rain. Sorry, Nine, I can't sing it. It's so high for me. My voice is for for guys. Ang taas. Yung vampire po, hindi ko po alam. Rar, gano'n na lang kayo. And if you give on now, today give in, you will rise and even sound. So keep pressing on, steadfastly, and to find what you need to prevail. What you say, I can't make it. Takasal ko? Hindi ko pwede sa karen. Kaka-vocal rest ko lang. On my own, and I know that I'm strong enough to mend. Every time I feel afraid, I hold tighter to my faith. And I live one more day, I can make it through the rain. And when the wind blows, thank you, Leslie, and shadows grow close, don't be afraid. There's nothing you can't face. And should they tell you you'll never pull through, don't hesitate. Stand up and say, thank you, Leslie. I can make it through. Thank you, Kakoy. I can stand up once again on my own. And I know, thank you, Lord. Woo! Not to men. And every time I feel afraid, I hold tighter to my faith. And I live one more day, and I'll make it through the rain. I can make it through the rain, and I'll stand up once again. And I live one more day, I can make it through the rain. Thank you, Nine. Thank you, Leslie, and thank you, Kakoy, sa lahat ng mga gifters. Thank you so much. I'm sorry po if I can sing it in original key. It's just that my vocal range is not that high na like before because I gave birth. So my voice kinda... So sorry. Nine, maybe you can request for another song and I'll try to do better. Thank you for the Leon the Kitten. Thank you po. Maraming salamat po. Sorry.